Troops, good afternoon today. Troops, good afternoon. Today I will show you different types of Unilever Company merge, Knorr soup. A Knorr soup, cream soup, meron tayong cream of mushroom, 335 grams. 2 to 3 servings, cream of mushroom. Unilever po yan. Knorr soup, cream of mushroom, 35 grams. Next, meron din tayong Knorr soup, cream of mushroom, available for 62 grams. Next, meron din tayong Knorr soup, available for crab and corn, 37 grams. You can buy it from any grocery stores, malls, grocery stores, kahit sa mga tindahan. Yung Knorr soup. Next, meron din tayong Knorr soup, crab and corn, 55 grams. Unilever po yan. Yan po yung Knorr soup, crab and corn. Next, meron din tayong Knorr soup, Nido Oriental style, available for 53 grams. Unilever po yan. Yan yung Knorr soup, Nido Oriental style. Our promise made with natural ingredients, quick and easy. Just add one egg with malunggay. Next, meron din tayong Knorr soup, chicken and corn, available for 60 grams. Made with real chicken and sweet corn, quick, easy, and delicious. Just add one egg. Unilever po yan. Ginawa ko tong video na to para alam nyo kung ano mga Unilever Company merge sa hindi pa nakakaalam. Yung Knorr soup, isa lang po yun sa mga Unilever Company merge. Review natin yung Knorr soup, chicken and corn, Knorr soup, Nido Oriental, Knorr soup, crab and corn, and Knorr soup, cream of mushroom. That's it for today's Unilever Company merge video. Knorr soup. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merge para updated ka sa mga video ko, mga Unilever Company merge. Thank you for watching. Respect, always rise, never give up. God bless us all, always. Thank you for watching. God bless. Thank you. Respect. Please like and share. Thank you.